The Sony Alpha 7R3 is the company's latest high-resolution, full-frame mirrorless camera. Faster processing allows it to shoot its 42.4 megapixel images at 10 frames a second. The camera's body is essentially that of the sports-oriented A9, which means it gains an AF joystick and a new battery with over twice the capacity of its predecessor. There are also dual USB ports, including a USB 3.1 socket with Type-C connector that can be used for both charging and tethered shooting. Autofocus algorithms from the A9 model mean more consistent focus and improved subject tracking, even in low light. In addition to the AF joystick, the camera also has a touchscreen that can be used to position the AF point, even when the camera is to your eye. Other handling improvements include more control over customization, a dedicated AF on button, and a button for protecting or rating your images after you've shot them. The camera's in-body stabilization has also been improved, and now offers 5.5 stops of stabilization. Meanwhile, the shutter has been redesigned to reduce the risk of shake and ensure the sharpness of your images. Like the version 2, the A7R3 shoots highly detailed, oversampled 4K video from a Super 35-sized region of its sensor. It can shoot using the S-Log2 or 3 gamma curves, but also gains hybrid log gamma for shooting ready-to-view high dynamic range video. Video autofocus has also been improved. These are just the biggest changes made in the A7R Mark III. For more detail about the camera, visit dpreview.com.
Hello, I'm Dan Bercaglio for DP Review. This is the Sony a6000 mirrorless camera. The Sony a6000 is the successor to the very popular Sony Alpha NEX6. It sits just above the Sony a5100 in the company's mirrorless lineup. In fact, the a6000 and a5100 are extremely similar, the biggest difference being the a6000's electric viewfinder and more extensive external controls missing from the cheaper a5100. The a6000 offers a 24.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Sony's Bionz X image processor. The biggest advancement over its predecessor is the vastly improved hybrid autofocus system featuring 25 contrast detect and 179 phase detect points that cover almost the entire frame. In fact, we found the a6000 to be class-leading when it comes to autofocus speed and accuracy in a large sensor mirrorless camera. The camera itself handles well, with ample customizable buttons and click wheels for solid control, plus a quick menu. It offers a burst rate of 11 frames per second with subject tracking, full HD video capture at 1080 60p and 24p with clean HDMI output and Wi-Fi connectivity as well as NFC. Overall, this is an extremely well-rounded camera that offers class-leading features for a very reasonable price point. For more information on the Sony a6000 and all things digital photography, head to dpreview.com. Hi, I'm Dan from dpreview.com, and this is the Sony a6300. The a6300 is the company's latest mid-range mirrorless camera, and although the body and pixel count may sound familiar, almost everything has been changed. The camera's 24 megapixel sensor is new and now features 425 autofocus points spread across the entire frame for high precision focus and video AF. Meanwhile, though the styling is similar, the camera's body is much more substantially built with improved dust and moisture sealing. The a6300's viewfinder gets a resolution bump, and the camera can now provide live feed in between shots at up to 8 frames per second. This all adds up to a more immediate, optical viewfinder-like experience that makes it easier to follow fast action during bursts. Video shooting capabilities have also been upgraded, with the camera now able to capture 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. For more about the Sony a6300 and all things photography, head to dpreview.com.